two drones during these observations. One drone was flying high enough to capture the whole herd, and these videos served for the movement analysis. And the other drone was flying quite low and went very close to the horses to ensure the individual identification during the videos.
Something, a future direction that we are trying to apply artificial intelligence to actually replace this really labor-intensive work which was done by humans.